Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna do a quick review and unboxing of the new Monimoto GPS. Monimoto. Try saying that 10 times. I know you can't do it. Monimoto. They should make it easier to say. Oh well.
So, first things first, what do you get? What's in the box? You open the box, and what's inside of here? Here's this thing. What is this? This is your GPS tracker. So this thing goes somewhere in the bike, and this is your key tracker. Just put it onto your keys so you never lose it. And this one really loves this one. So if they are separated, the system activates. Bring them together and the system deactivates. Easy as that.
So now how do we install it? First things first, you just hide this thing somewhere into your bike. So now after you really did your best on hiding the GPS tracker, the next thing you want to do is install the app. And when you install the app, the only thing you gotta do is pair this key fob with your phone, and it will all be explained. Now I'll show you what it does if I move my bike. I'm stealing a bike. I'm stealing a bike. This is my bike now. This is my bike. It's mine. Here we go. It's calling. You just pick up the phone, and you know, there's my dogs, my kid, and now you know your bike has been stolen. Oh God. Of course, the system is gonna send you a message telling you, alarm, the beast is moving, location to be delivered in a few minutes. So every 5 minutes you will get a location, an exact location of where your GPS and your bike is. That's of course until they find you have a tracker and they throw the thing away. But until then, you can get your bike back. Hope you liked the video about the GPS tracker, and I'm gonna start it up one more time just for you guys. See ya, peace.